If you're thinking of becoming a virtual assistant, but you don't know what services you can offer, stay with me because I'm about to share with you 5 simple steps that you can start with today with no experience, even if it's zero experience. Let's go. Hi, welcome back to my channel where we'll share online opportunities and ways to make money from home. So the first services to offer is email management. Here's the thing. So many business owners don't have the time to check their inbox and reply to their messages. Here is where you come in. Your job is to organize their inbox and reply to basic messages and keep things neatly and well organized. This is so easy. Think about it this way. If you can reply to your own emails and check your inbox daily, what makes you think you can't do it for money? You can as well do it for a client and get paid for it. And the second services you can offer as a virtual assistant is data entry. It's beginner friendly. And all you just have to do is to enter information correctly into spreadsheet. So if you're good at typing, you can do this type of task for a client and you can still get paid for it. So what are you waiting for? Offer such services and you're good to go. And the third services that you can offer as a virtual assistant is social media scheduling. Social media scheduling is simple when you know the right tools to use. And as a virtual assistant, you don't need to be a social media manager for you to be able to offer the skills. All you just have to do is to get acquainted and familiar with the tools that you can use to make your job easy. So learn how you can schedule, post using tools like Canva or Buffer. It makes the job easy and simple. Services you can offer as a virtual assistant is research taxing. Yes, as a virtual assistant, you need to be familiar with using Google because your job might be to find suppliers, to collect leads, and to find trends. So, as a virtual assistant, knowing how to use Google will help you much. And you know, clients love people who can do the digging for them. So this is another services that a virtual assistant will get paid on if you can offer it. As finally is our calendar management. Yes, as a virtual assistant, calendar management is another services that you can offer for a client and you can still get paid for it, such as setting up his meetings, set up his reminders, and help him stay organized and help that client stay organized. Yes, if you can do this for your own self, if you can organize your own calendar, if you can set up events and other things that you need on your calendar, you can as well do it for a client and get paid for it, and they will still thank you. These are 5 services you can offer as a beginner virtual assistant. So tell me, which one will you start with today? Drop it in the comments section and don't forget to subscribe and click the like button because I've got loads and more simple tips to drop from now on. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye.